But I just want to talk a little bit about some of the issues that have been bubbling up in our CSI discussions in the recent while. The first one is this whole issue about social impact. I think all of us are, really focused more, really on making an impact. We measure more and more not how much we're putting in, but what is the outcome and the result, the impact of the work that we are doing. And that's really, something that really occupies our mind. So before we start any projects, we really start, I loved what Nicola was saying about, we really try to start with a clear end in mind. We try to start out by saying, what will success look like in this initiative? What are the clear metrics of success? Objective measurements of success that how will we know when we've succeeded? And so we start out by having baseline studies, have a budget for monitoring and evaluation, have independent professionals in that regard built into the project so that, over time we can really objectively and independently say, this is the impact that this project has made. And we do this because our company is a company that's very, we make cars, and so there's lots of scientists and engineers, people who are really focused on results and metrics and measurements, etc. So we have to make sure that this is reflected also in our work, and we're asked to do this all the time. So, I think sometimes that our partners get frustrated with us in terms of this really strong focus on metrics and measurement and impact. But we want to balance also this focus on impact, because we think that doing, any kind of investment without having a clear impact, is not good. But we also need to balance this focus on social impact with observable benefits and value for the corporate. And so it's a balancing act that we're continuously trying to manage all the time. And it's a difficult one, because everything that we do, so for instance, I spoke to you about our geographic footprint. In the organization, this conversation goes on and off all the time. Some people feel that we should also have a lot of spend in KwaZulu-Natal and in the Western Cape, because they're big, areas of business for us. Some people feel that we shouldn't be doing anything in Gauteng, and we should focus most of our investments in the Eastern Cape, because there's so much need in the Eastern Cape. And so we constantly have to manage this balancing act about what is good for CSI and development, what is good for the business, and managing those two and balancing those two. The other issue that I want to talk about very quickly is the communication. How much do we spend and how much do we communicate about our corporate social investment activities? We are often in the team, the VW people here will tell you that we are often asked everywhere, what does VW really do? What do you do? Because we really don't spend, I think, or the business doesn't feel that we spend enough on communicating our CSI, what we do, our projects. Ideally, we believe that the projects should communicate for themselves, that if we are doing the work right and it really is having the right impact, then that should do the communicating on our behalf or on the behalf of the project, as opposed to us spending money that could be going into the projects communicating it. But once again, it's a balancing act, and it's an ongoing conversation.